Hello and welcome. Now, Zapier works with custom form applications when you have submissions and when you are actually tracking data. And you can integrate with other productivity apps to perform different kind of automation. For example, Zapier works with the form application called JotForm. And we're going to select JotForm right now. JotForm has integrations with web apps like Google Sheets. For example, every time that there is a JotForm response, perhaps to a survey, perhaps to a form, you can have that person added to a Google Sheet. We're going to explore this application. And we're going to start the process by clicking Create this Zap. First, going to need to connect our JotForm account. And we will then click Yes, Continue. We will then authorize Zapier to use JotForm. And then we'll test our connection. Once we confirm that our connection is secure, we will then click Save and Continue. Then we'll select a form for submission. We'll now click Continue. And we'll first need to verify that we have at least one recent submission so that we can run the test. Once we confirm, we'll then click Fetch and Continue. Our test is then successful. We'll then click Continue. We'll now move to the Google Sheet creation. We'll then click Continue. We'll now click Continue. And then we'll select the Google Sheets account and we'll click the test. We'll verify we have success and then we'll click Save and Continue. We'll then need to find a specific spreadsheet, then worksheet. Now we are required to place headers in our worksheets. So now that we've done that, we'll then click Refresh. And now that we have our spreadsheet set up, we'll now click Continue. We'll now send our test to Google Sheets. And we have a successful test. And now we have completed our Zap. Our Zap is then turned on and ready to receive our data. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.